Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you're all well. Today, Alhamdulillah, is a beautiful and blessed day of Eid al-Adha 2024, and we're here today at Market Road, which is in northwest London, or North London rather. And you can see behind me, Yorkway Masjid is hosting the Eid prayer, Eid Salah. And here, Alhamdulillah, the weather has held back. So there's no rain today, Alhamdulillah. And yeah, I was kind of contemplating whether it's going to be in the masjid or be outside. You know, when you pray outside, it's a different feeling altogether, Alhamdulillah. As you can see, today, people are here early. The time now is just approaching almost 9 o'clock and the salah is going to start soon. So let me show you guys, Alhamdulillah, the brothers here are putting the top or the waterproof membrane at the bottom. A bit harder with all the wind. They have to weigh it down with something, subhanallah. A few of the times it's flown away. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, the brothers here at Yorkway Masjid work so hard for the community, for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Allahu Akbar kabira, walhamdulillahi kathira, wa subhanallahi bukratan wa asila. لا إله إلا الله وحده صدق وعده ونصر عبده وأعز جنده وهزم الأحزاب وحده.
الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله. الله أكبر الله أكبر لله الحمد. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله. الله أكبر الله أكبر لله الحمد.
Alhamdulillah, we are home dry, and I say that because literally just before we started praying, the skies opened up and it started pouring. I'm telling you, it was like having a second shower today, subhanallah. Bit of a different experience. Everyone prayed, everyone was still smiling. Unfortunately didn't get to capture the khutbah at the end because it really started pouring heavy. Alhamdulillah, you know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed us with rain today on the beautiful day of Eid. So now I'm in my home clothes. I'm going to enjoy the day with my family, inshallah. So the takeaway from this is that, you know, we've got such comfort, you know, when it comes to praying, when it comes to even today, we had the prayer mats, we had the waterproof prayer mats, and we were safe as well. There's many brothers and sisters around the world that do not have this facility, you know, on the day of Eid they have a fear of their lives, you know, from oppression, from the brutality that still continues. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect them and give them freedom, Ameen. And honestly speaking, you know, we have it so good. Let's spend the day reflecting on this, inshallah, making dua for them. Jazakallah khair, take care and enjoy your day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.